Wanna know how to share your profile in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily share your profiles to your other friends via other apps and Messenger. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as menu. That should be right beside notifications. So you can just simply select it. And now once you've selected menu here, you should be provided with various interfaces and settings. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this QR code or scan icon. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected this scan icon right here, you should be seeing your current scanner. So if you are with your friend, you can just simply send them this screenshot, or just they can directly scan it through your phone, or you can just simply select share right here, where you can share to various platforms like messages, even Facebook feeds, snaps, and lots more. So that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily share your profile in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.